Okay, so this morning I've given myself the new challenge of clearing my wardrobe. Clearing the wardrobe. Have you heard me? I'm going to have to go through all of my wardrobe. What do I keep? What do I love? What do I use? What do I need? So I'm a bit dreading it. I know the garage was bad enough, but let's do the wardrobe. And I thought, let's just do it together. So you can encourage me to do it, and then it can encourage you perhaps to do it from your end. Are you ready? Let's get into the bedroom. Okay, so the main thing is when you're tidying up, it really is to kind of get everything out of the wardrobe and starting to three piles really, one, two, and then I'll put another one in the corner there because really the piles are important. So you need a pile for charity shop, you need a pile for actually throwing it in the bin. And then you need a pile for actually, you could give it to other people, friends, kids, neighbors, those kind of things that perhaps you have some stuff, or perhaps you want to try to sell them. So I've got some of my dresses. I'm going to try to sell them. There's a shop which actually is do a bit of a second hand, but they buy things from you and then you're getting a bit of money out of it. So that's quite interesting. Look at in your area what kind of charity shop is there and what could you actually perhaps get a bit of money. So you could sell it, give it to charity, or bin it. Those are the three tasks for the day, my three piles that I want to really try to do. Remember, same as the garage, there's three main questions. Do I love it? Do I use it? So when is the last time I worn this? And do I really need it? So I am going with 3 suitcases. And as you can see, I've already started filling up those suitcases. So I really do need to be very good with what I'm taking. And also, it's my new life. Right? It's my new Claire V2 version 2 turbo. It's Claire in Dubai. So I want to let go of the old Claire. I want to let go of the old clothes that I had. I want to get some new stuff perhaps, some fresh things that are gonna me feel good. And I'm going to Dubai, so I don't need any jumpers, no cagoules, no hat, no gloves, all those kind of things. I can let go of all those things. So are you ready? I'm ready. Let's do this. We're gonna do it in accelerations. All right, see you there. The first stage to take everything out, every single thing out of my wardrobe. And as I bring them out, it really is about, do I love it? Do I use it? Do I need it? There's already 2 on here, and every single one of this I need to go back. Anything that stays will go back in the wardrobe, and everything else will go into my piles. So every piece of item will have to come out of here, and eventually we can get rid of it. Okay, well, I don't think this is going to fit in all of this. I don't know about you, but I'm starting feeling palpitation. I think I've started the first bit of decluttering. I think these are the kind of things that I'd like to keep, but I'm not sure if all of this is going to fit in those. And what I need to think also, you're going to be laughing, but I need to think that I am going to have a trip to Egypt, and then I need to have some clothes that I can wear on a daily basis when I'm in Dubai, and then the things that I don't really need to keep, like have really close to me. So I need to almost kind of pack 3 different suitcases, so I can have something that, you know, is kind of long term, stay in the suitcase until I'm settled. One case which is all about kind of daily life things that I'm going to need, and then the third suitcase which will be my kind of in and out suitcase, packing a traveling suitcase as well. So that's the next stage that I'm going to need to do. So I don't know if you worked with those bags before. Well, I got those small hip bag, vacuum storage bags, and I've started putting some of the things inside. So everything that I'm going to need kind of that can stay in there for a few months, I'm going to do that and start putting them in like those 3 bags. So I know those are filled in, and those are things that I'm not going to touch until I'm kind of quite settled. And then the rest can stay out in the open as such. Does that sound right to you? I like doing as well is, I forgot on the first one, but let's put a little bit of those little sachets, a little bit of doTERRA essential oils, yes, a couple of drops on it, and then I can just put it in before I close the bag, so it's going to keep it nice and fresh when I open it. Ready? Et voila! That's pretty cool, right? And that's 2. Et voila! It's all done. We're done. Okay, so we have stuff that stay here for the next few weeks. We have stuff that is in the suitcase that I'm not going to open up until way past kind of November time, I guess, once I'm settled and I found a place to be. I've got some stuff for Croatia trip and Egypt trip, so I'll keep that kind of separate. And I've got another suitcase, kind of more of a bag thing, where I've put things that I will be wearing in the next kind of few weeks anyway. In the next, you know, even though when I travel, I'll still be using some of that stuff. So, whew, this has been a bit of a day. I don't know about you, but I'm knackered. I'm going to go and get a glass of water just to freshen up a little bit, and I'm going to go and get a bit of fresh air. I need to get a bit of energy out, get a bit of sun on my face, get a bit of all those emotions, because all the clothes that we have, it's all emotions, remember, but it's only material, so let it go. Brand new things coming up, you know, and the same for you. If you're stuck, if you're blocked, if you want something new in your life, give yourself some space to bring new stuff in your life. Okay, so we'll see you next week for the next video. If you like that video, go back and watch the other ones, the previous 3 or 4 now I think I've done. So click on the subscribe button so you'll get my videos when I post them, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.